How to disable keyboard of your laptop on Windows. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily disable your keyboard on your Windows device. First thing you're going to have to do is open up Command Prompt. And once you open it up, you just need to make sure that you run this as administrator. So close this out, type in CMD, and then run it as administrator. Now, once your administrator command prompt is open, all you have to do is type in this command right here. So right from here to here, you can pause the video and just write down the command, or you could just find it on the description. I'm just going to paste the command right here. And once you've done that, just hit enter and then restart your device. Once you have done that, you should be able to disable your keyboard, and you won't be able to use your keyboard anymore. But in case if you change your mind after the restart and you want to enable your keyboard back again, simply go ahead and type in command prompt here. Or you could just go ahead and click on this Windows icon first and click on the all apps, go to accessibility folder, and then find the on-screen keyboard. From here, open a search bar and then type in CMD. Right click on it and run it as administrator. Now from here, click on yes. And once your command prompt is open, just go ahead and type in this scconfig 18042PRT start equals auto. So if you type this in with this keyboard, you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.